Okay guys, so this is usually what happened. Now first we scroll our mouse to the start button and then type update. Now this will display the check update tab, so we only double click on it. We wait until our window finish loading. Now we're going to see Windows update. Now what happens is usually when you have already connected your computer to internet, it will automatically check for updates. So you could see that the last check for update was yesterday, but usually this happens, like I said, when you've already connected your computer to the internet. And in a case you have not done that, the only thing you have to do here is to click on Windows update and your computer will run for a new check of updates, and then afterwards you only click on download and you are good to go. So guys, that is all about how to update our drivers.